What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my what was that? What was that? Okay, try it again. Cut. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for checking your girl out. So today I'm coming to you with that summertime fun makeup look. You know what I'm saying? It's very fun, it's very colorful, it's very bold and vibrant and in your face. It's perfect for the summer season, especially those summer nights where you're trying to look a little, sexy. This is the look for you. This is what you need to be doing. So as you guys may know, I recently got my hands on the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsession palette, and I've been having a lot of fun playing with it. And this is one of the looks I was able to achieve while incorporating it into my makeup routine. So if you're interested in seeing how to get this beautiful beat, keep on watching. So y'all remember when playing your clips in reverse was a thing? Yeah, I'm bringing that back, sis. So I'm taking this color from the Huda Beauty Warms Obsession palette and applying that into my crease as my transition color. This is a really nice brown, but it has a hint of orange in it. And pink, it's like a peachy orangey brown, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that into my crease just to start off the look. Yep, still in reverse. Then taking this color, again from the Huda Beauty Warms Obsession palette, I'm taking this really nice peachy pink color. I'm also going to apply that into my crease just a little bit below, just to add a nice gradient of color and kind of just ties everything together. Then I'm going in with another brush and I'm kind of just blending those two colors together. Now going into the gemstone, I'm taking this like a cranberry color from it, and I'm applying that all over my lid. Now remember in my review, if you haven't watched it, I'll link it in the cards. Remember a review where I said some colors work better than others? This is definitely one of those colors that work well on its own. It's a great standalone color. I even tried to use my fingers just to kind of intensify the color, just to see if I could get more payoff, and it did a little bit, but it didn't do too much. So this is definitely one of those colors where you can kind of just use a brush and apply it and you'll get like good payoff. So I went ahead and applied that all over my lid. Now taking the NYX glitter primer, I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto my lid into the center because we're creating a halo eye. Taking this orangey color, I'm applying that on the center of my lid where I applied the glitter primer, just to help hold on to this color, because this color does have a bit of, it's a shimmery color, but it does have a bit of glitter in it. So I went ahead and applied it in the center. Y'all don't know how much I love this look. It's so nice. Adds like a really nice dimension. Taking the red color, I'm going to go ahead and rub that along my lower lash line to give me some dimension and depth. I have a love-hate relationship with this process. Like, I love the way it looks, but I hate actually applying the product to my lower lash line. Now going in with this color, I'm going to go ahead and apply that as my inner tear duct highlight. It's a nice pink color. It's a nice little pop of color. Lately I've been obsessed with applying color in my inner tear duct, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. You know, you guys are probably tired of this product by now, but this is my Fenty highlight in Gingerbread and Moscow Mule. Apply that on my cheeks, my nose, and on my chin, because, you know, I like a little bronzy burnt look. And taking this recent addition to my collection, which I love so much, it is the Fenty Killawatt foil highlighter in 7-Day Weekend, and I just wanted to show you guys a side by side. Like, if you haven't seen my review on it, I'll also link that in the cards or in the post at the end of this video. God, I love this product. If you want to know how I really feel about all these products, I have reviews on my channel, and I'll link the relevant ones in the cards and at the end of the video, so you guys can check them out. And I have bloopers at the end, so enjoy those as well. Now, if you love me, buy me clear lip gloss. I love all glosses, but nothing beats clear lip gloss to me. So I'm using this one from WetnWild, and I really like it because it gives a really nice wet look to my lips. And I was kind of debating whether or not I should add more gloss, but I was like, hell yeah, why not? The more gloss, the better. So I went ahead and applied the Fenty Gloss Bomb as well. And you know, I'm getting happy because my lip gloss is popping. See that? You see that, girl? You see them looks? Yes. Yes, girl, yes. Give me your face. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and stay tuned for the bloopers. Alright, y'all, so this is it for the final look. I hope you love it as much as I do. This is like my 4th or 5th time recreating this look, and I fall in love with it every time because I think it's just such a fun look. So I hope you guys give it a try. Please let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section, and also give me a like if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And if you'd like to see more content from me, be sure to come back next Monday because I upload a new video every Monday. So until then, I will see you next Monday. Bye. My edges are sweating out for dear life. Like, it doesn't matter what gel I use, they just don't cooperate with me. I have like this random like short patch of hair right here, and it's kind of like Where'd you come from? Where did you come from? Oh great, now I might not be able to put this back in place. This is the type of makeup look you can just, you know, wink or bat your eyes 1-2 times and get whatever you want. Like it's just that type of look. It's just that type of look. It's just like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you, talking to you. No? How dare you say no to me? You know? Okay. This is why I should never be left alone, because I do the weirdest shit.